Okay, last couple of minutes to go for close. It's been an interesting week of trade. Let's pull up the Nifty, a fifth of a percent higher on the Nifty 50 index. We've seen a very decent recovery, at least in trade today. Some of the gainers, Eternal Axis Bank, Trent, and now there are plenty. In fact, we started closing trades, which is the show at 2 p.m. with very few gainers in terms of very few gainers above 1% or making more than a percent in trade today. But now we're seeing the become better. The advance decline ratio has improved substantially, 30 advances to 20 declines, and we're seeing a better set of stocks also sitting in the green. Trent, Geo Finance, SBI, all of them gaining 1.5% in trade. Some of the big boys also participating. Let's pull up a Reliance, doing much better than it was pretty much for a predominant part of the day. So a Reliance Industries is also doing fairly well, 0.5% higher on a Reliance Industries. Let's talk about some of the losers. And Infosys still continues to languish at the bottom. Mind you, that buyback of Infosys being initiated today, so you have the option to opt for that buyback. Aisha Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Motors PV, JSW Steel are some of the Nifty counters which are trading in the red. Some results reactions, and in fact plenty of them. KRBL is the one that really stands out, 13% higher. Man Industries came out with numbers yesterday as well, 11% higher on Man Industries. Muthoot Finance up and away, 10% higher. We spoke about this in the morning, no surprise, but that reaction and the hold up is what is really impressive. Just the hold up, the fact that it's held up and in fact closed at the day's high. The strength is visible. You're seeing, among others, Jubilant Food up 7.25%. Don't remember the last time the stock had moved in this fashion. Bharat Dynamics is the other one. PG Electro also doing fairly well despite a difficult set of numbers. Mishra Dhatu is down among the ones which haven't reacted as well. So is at Tilak Nagar and Som Distilleries within the same Alcobev space. You're seeing Sonata Software also under a bit of pressure, 4% lower on a Sonata Soft. Now let me take you through some of the sectors which have stood out. IT down nearly 1%. Nifty India Defense Index is up 1.5%, so that one is really standing out. FMCG is up 0.5% as well. Banks have done okay, and for a day on which most of the large caps have found it difficult to stay up in the green, banks have closed 0.25% higher. So that has led to the kind of move on the index. The PSU banking index is up 1.2%, and the pharma index also has done fairly well for itself.
Oh yes, it has. Kunal, what's it looking